Guys, how are you? This is Ben Leybovich. I am very excited to be able to offer this to you. This is the underwriting model. This is the spreadsheet to analyze multifamily. This took years to develop. This has never been sold. This will never be sold. This is not even included in the package for my consulting clients. Literally, the only way to get your hands on this spreadsheet, I think it's about 9 pages, 10 pages, whatever it is, the only way is to be one of the first 50 registrants for the syndication workshop in Phoenix. This offer is good until October 15th or the first 50 people, whichever one we cross first. So this spreadsheet, let me just walk you through very quickly, walks you through all of the logic, all of the rationale to be able to arrive at a buy decision based on cash on cash and, more importantly, the internal rate of return. Each page you click will walk you through certain pieces of data that you need to have in place in order to be able to underwrite the deals. I have never sold it anyway. In fact, I'll be honest with you. I'm having, not second thoughts, but I'm having conflicting feelings about this because the power that you will be gaining by having access to this spreadsheet, I don't know how much it's worth. I couldn't tell you because I never tried to sell it. And I have no intentions of selling it. That's the thing. There's such a thing as competitive advantage. And it comes in a form that looks like this. Okay? So truly, really, I am never going to sell anything like this. Not interested in it because I'm literally probably creating competition for myself with people having essentially the underwriting tools that enable them to, compete with Sam and myself. Now, there are things we know that you don't know, and, I'm not going to lie to you, but, spending years in the trenches certainly isn't worth nothing. But this spreadsheet, the logic that is programmed herein, the if and then functionality has taken years to understand. And so I'm very happy to be able to offer this to you. Again, the first 50 registrations to the Phoenix Syndication Workshop or October 15th is the cutoff. So I hope you use it wisely because you will have some firepower. You'll be dangerous, so to speak. My name is Ben Leybovich. I hope to see you in Phoenix in January. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.